Hi, I'm Savannah from How To Project. In the previous video, we went over a bit of the details on how to set up your account for teamwork, but today we're going to go even more in depth and talk about the general settings. So we start right here on our opening page, as we normally do. And I'm gonna come up to my icon up here and go down to settings. So right here is our site settings. So we'll come in here and our site name is currently How To Project. I'm gonna change it to How To Learn because it's all about learning teamwork. Same as here, you can come down and add a custom URL. I'm gonna keep it as that. Yes. Cool. So now I have a little custom domain name, and which is a little better because sometimes with domain names they can get rather lengthy. Coming down here, my site currency is already on Canadian, so that's good. So I do want to show the site's name on the login page, which I can toggle between if I want to do that or not. Dashboard messages. Right here, I do want to provide dashboard messages. So for dashboard messages, these are obviously messages that are going to pop up for anyone in the team that you deem gets them. So you can either do it for everyone that is in your project in teamwork, or for just select group of people, at least as far as I'm understanding. So just as a little testing, we will go stay awesome, have a great day, because I don't have any updates I need to send anyone at the moment, and everyone deserves a little encouragement at the start of their day. So the dashboard project. So I'm going to come here, and what does this say? By default, only projects modified in the last 30 days are listed, and that's probably best because that keeps my priorities where it should be. And do I want to show all projects or later? Well, I only have one project at the moment, so we can show all projects. So, real-time notifications I would like to have on. So I'm gonna leave RES feed enabled, disabled for now, just because I'm not quite sure what it means. But I'm gonna come down here and go to use Markdown. Turn this option off to prevent Markdown formatting from being applied to text in areas such as tasks, descriptions, messages, or comments. I know that Markdown is used for like short form and stuff, so I'm gonna leave that on because it could be useful in the notebooks. I would like to share files, or previews can be looked at. People can upload files, reactions can be allowed, tags can be allowed. Lock editing of tags for site administrator. What does that mean? By default, all users can add and edit tags. Enabling this setting means that only site admins can create and edit tags. I'm gonna say yes to that, because just in case I don't have that on, it means anybody, as I just said, anybody can add tags, and that means that there can be a lot of tags with no particular reason, they just randomly show up, and we don't need that. So instead, we're gonna have that locked for site admins. And we're gonna come down here, notebook, clean paste, HTML. I'm gonna leave that on. HTML paste in the notebook will be cleaned by default, so only plain text is... Okay, so what this means is like if I had a table of text and I just wanted to get the text instead of also copying the table around it, with clean paste HTML, it's just going to take the text out when you copy anything into Teamwork, or out of Teamwork, which is useful because you don't want the formatting of previous text in there, or if you do, you have the option to turn it back on. Notebook, new line mode. When new line mode is enabled, pressing return will create a new line. When it's off, pressing return will create a new paragraph. Okay, I'm gonna keep that on. That's just a preference thing. But that's for writing really in like messages, or especially more like Notebook. Notebook is definitely the documents of Teamwork. Project admin can create users. I'm gonna turn this off because there, as you see up here, there's a slight difference between site admins and project admins, and site admins should probably be creating users rather than project admins. Project health labels. What is a project health label? So this is one of the features of Teamwork that's pretty awesome. You can label your projects basically if they are at a good state, a bad state, or like needs to be looked at kind of thing. I can edit it if I would like, which I might do. I wish I could change the colors, because that'd be nice. Let's change these to looking good. Needs more attention. All eyes on me. I like that. We will save. Look at that. I might go back and change them to just one words, but I like that for now. And then if we come down here, automatically build new users. Can a member of your Teamwork account create new user accounts if the subscription paid seat count has been reached? I'm gonna say no, because that doesn't sound quite right to me. I'm gonna leave it off for now. Automatic logout. If enabled, the Remember Me option won't be available. Enable this option to log out users out of a period of it. Oh wait, only available at level higher plan. Oh, so this is like, say if I worked in like an actual office building and I had many people around me who also had computers, that means that I would automatically get logged out of Teamwork after a certain amount of time, but I work from home and I also don't have the advanced plan, so I have no reason to use it because I'm not a corporate business. But if you were, that is an option you are able to enable. You are able to enable for people that are on your Teamwork. But the Remember Me option is just the site remembers your email and password, so you don't need to log in every single time that you enter Teamwork. And even then, it might still make you do that sometimes, but just a little easier. A referral program. What's the refer friends and work colleagues and get rewards? Referral Teamwork program. Don't want to refer anyone to our Teamwork at the moment. Allow cross-origin resource sharing. If turned off, we will allow JavaScript flashcodes on other websites to communicate with script. We'll allow JavaScript. I'm going to leave that enabled for now just because some places do use Java, not necessarily Flash anymore, because I know that's going out, but I'll leave it enabled for now. And then all the way at the bottom here is allow Teamwork brand. If turned off, we will hide the Teamwork logo from your, well, if you would like that for your business, that works. That just means like when people are logging in and it will show Teamwork and then your brand, or your brand and then Teamwork. Because this is how to learn Teamwork, I'm gonna leave the Teamwork brand on because that makes sense to me. So that was going over the general Teamwork settings. For now, I have a lot more tabs to go over, as you can see here, like logos and templates and all of that, but I hope this was helpful for all of the general settings, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. And, I seem to have created a pop-up for myself. Come here. No. I don't want you on this page. Oh. Okay.